and offer relevant commands. Select subject, remove backgrounds, generate a fill, etc., reducing the need to hunt through menus. Keyboard shortcuts directly work. Common ones include V move, V marquee, L lasso, quick object selections, B brush, E eraser, G Helling tools, C crop, T type, C MD transform, duplicate layers, and others. Custom shortcut can be designed. The tools panel contains designs of tools. Many under fly out means then can be grouped. Selection